Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Our Guitar. We have Russ here back again. Very nice song here called Drives. So, very guitar friendly, 4 chords, and yeah, gives me kind of Oasis Wonderwall feeling, if you know about that song, an old goodie. Has some same vibes when it comes to the playing there. So, anyway, let's go right into this one. No need for any cape on this. 4 chords. Let's go over the chords. So we're gonna start here with G. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open E, D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the next chord here. That will be a D, but with an A in the bass. And I played for you 2 different versions of this chord. So the easier one is this. All right. So that is open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. It's very easy to have that one since we go for G, then D, and we'll stay around this area. So it's very nice to have this version of the DA. If you want to go the easy way, I think the more accurate way is actually to hold the chord like this. What I can hear, it's this D here with this A in the bass. So a little bit more trickier here, but anyway, not that hard. So let's take a look at this one. You have the 5th on E, 5th on A, the 4th on D, open G, and then here in the end here, I place a short little bar, 3rd on B, and 3rd on E. So I play with my index, short little bar there on the last 2 strings. And that will be the DA in this version, which I prefer, which I play here if I would play this one. But it's nice to have both of these chords. So this, much easier than this, but anyway, try it and make it your song. Next chord here will be the E minor, with some added notes there in the end, because we have these notes with us through entire song. So that's the reason for this little bit strange grips here for the song. So E minor here will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then we have the last chord there, the C, where you keep the bottom there, the 3rd B and 3rd E, and just recuperate your fingers to this position here. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, and then still 3rd B and 3rd E. I think this is called C add 9, if I'm not mistaken, but anyway, we will call it that's the C chord, and that's it. So the chord progression here from the beginning till the very end will be G, then the D A, or this, then you have the E minor, and then the C. So you see the value here of having this as well, since the chord progression here will be G to D. You just keep these fingers like that from the beginning till the very end. G there, the D A, this version, the E minor, and then the C. It's a lot easier than go to this and then back again. So it's up to you. Anyway, let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So if we go back to the first chord, the G, 1, strumming around will be a pretty long one, like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. It sounds a lot harder than it actually is, but it sounds like this. All right, so we'll start with the first down, down, down. So what I do here, I play the first 2 downs on the bass strings, and then I play the 3rd down on the higher notes down there. So down, 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 and then comes down, up, down, up, down, and then down, down, up. That's it. So the first 3 downs, and then comes down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. So together. And a couple of rounds of it will sound right, so you're gonna play one string round of this per chord from the beginning till the very end, the same chord progression. It goes like this. And that is Russ Drives. Nice song there from Russ. Again, he will be back here for sure on Going Guitar. So if you love him, please feel free to subscribe to this channel and get the latest song from him. So yes, give this a try. And until next time, play tuned.